For this example, I have a two-way contingency table. Two-way refers to the fact I've got two categorical variables, age group and number of tattoos. And I want to find probabilities, conditional probabilities, using this table and the totals. So the first part asked, find the probability of getting someone with one tattoo given that they are in the 30 to 49 age group. So we're randomly selecting a single person in this example. And the given part indicates that we are going to have a reduced sample space. Okay, given the 30 to 49 age group means that I'm not going to be using the grand total here. I'm going to be looking at only this 30 to 49 age group. So I want to find the probability of getting someone with one tattoo. Okay, so I'm looking at this column given that they're in this age group. So what I want to do is I want to figure out how many people have one tattoo, which would be this cell right here of the table. That'd be 26 out of 95. Again, because I have a reduced sample space based on the wording of the problem, I don't want to use this grand total because of this specific information we're given. So for A, this probability is going to be the probability that we get one tattoo given, the bar means given, 30 to 49, is going to be 26 out of 95. And converting that to a decimal, I get, and rounding to 3 decimal places, I get 0.271. So you have about a 27% chance of randomly selecting a person with one tattoo given that they're in that particular age group. And again, 0.271 is a valid probability because it is a value that falls between 0 and 1 inclusive. So for part B, we want to find the probability of getting someone in the 50 plus age group given that they have 3 or more tattoos. Again, right here, this wording given means I'm going to be reducing my sample space. I'm not going to be looking at the grand total. In notation, that's going to be the probability that we get a 50 plus person given that they have 3 or more tattoos. I'm abbreviating here. So looking at my table, given that there are 3 or more, I want to be looking at this column and using this column total for my denominator, not the grand total. So the probability that we get someone that's 50 or more years old, looking at the table, there's 12 of them out of the 89. So that's going to be 12 out of 89. And converting that to a decimal, you have about 0.135, or about a 13.5% chance of getting someone who's 50 or more given that they have 3 or more tattoos. Again, it's really easy to find conditional probabilities when you're looking at a contingency table because you just need to look at the row or the column that you're restricted to for the denominator.